good deals for my kids. I like to do birthday shopping, holiday shopping. If I find a good deal, something I think my friend might like, I'll pick it up. It's just, there's everything here. The place is huge.
My name is Tracy Panase and I organize the Just Between Friends sale in Lancaster. This is a huge semi-annual children's and maternity consignment sales event that features everything that you need to clothe or entertain your child for the upcoming season.
The organization of this place is awesome. Everything is organized by category. I love the items that they have. Everything's in great condition. Everything is picked through to make sure that it is top quality.
We feature name brand seasonal clothing, so things that your kiddos are going to wear between October and April. Brands like Janie and Jack, Gymboree, Timberland for boys, North Face coats. It's all here.
It's easy to find anything.
New this sale season is Kids Fest, happening on Saturday from 11 to 2. We feature Chris Ivy, the juggler, balloon art, face painting, caricatures, visits from your favorite characters, and best of all, it's all completely free. Our sale hours are Friday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., Saturday 8 to 5, and Sunday's the last day of the sale. It's also our half price sale from 8 to 3. Whatever you do, this is one event you cannot afford to miss. See you at the sale.